Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on creating a countdown timer with JavaScript. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know to build your own countdown timer from scratch. You'll learn how to get user input, update the timer display, and handle the countdown logic. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional countdown timer that you can use on your own web projects.
To get started, we'll need to create a form with a single input field where the user can enter the countdown time in seconds, and a submit button to start the countdown. We'll also need to add a DOM element to our HTML where the countdown will be displayed. Next, we'll add some JavaScript to handle the countdown logic and display the countdown to the user. This code will get the input from the user and start the countdown when the form is submitted. The countdown will be displayed in the div element with the ID countdown display, and will be updated every second until it reaches 0, at which point it will display done.
The code and sample are given in the description. Subscribe for more videos.